Hey everyone, this is Raul from Clipfolio, and today I'm here to quickly talk to you about the new followers metric. New followers is a metric that tracks how many new followers you have gained on a social media platform like Facebook or LinkedIn. And this is a metric that you might want to keep tabs on because it's one that will indicate whether your brand or your value proposition is resonating with your intended audience. So if you see a spike in the new followers metric, that could mean that you posted something recently that worked really well for your audience. So if you're able to track that down, you are potentially able to replicate similar success. Now, on the other hand, if your news followers metric is not increasing over time, what that could mean or indicate is that your content is not working for the audience that you have in mind, in which case perhaps it needs a content refresh or you need to rework your content strategy. So those are some ways the new followers metric would be useful to you. Now that we have established that, let's see how we can add that quickly from right here. So let's click on track this metric and select the platform that you want to use. In my case, I'm going to be using Facebook. And this will ask me to authenticate and select the page that I want to get the data from. And once I do that, that is going to go and fetch that data for me from the Facebook page that I have selected. So once we have this metric in our library, we can now take a look at it and we can actually select different types of visualizations. So by default, we're going to get 2 months worth of data. And right now we have it shown over weeks. And we can obviously play around with the different visualizations. So having known that, let's take a look at how we might use it. So let me look at my Facebook page metrics dashboard here because it looks kind of empty. And I am going to insert the metric that we just created. And I'm going to do that a few times over, and you're going to see why. So I'm going to add it 3 times, and there we go. And the first one could be very simple, and this one could be new followers this month. Today is the first of the month right now, so we probably don't have data, but you'll just have to trust that this metric is going to track the number of followers for the current month. So it's going to be new followers this month. This one here, what we can do is we can take a look at the followers over the week. So it's already doing that. So we just need to say new followers weekly. And that is going to give us a general idea of how the trend looks. And then this one here could be new followers by month. And this is going to give us a general overview as to how we are doing month over month. If we met a similar number of followers as the month before. So what we can do is we can just modify it to show it by month. And there you have it. So if we just save this, this is a quick overview of your metric that shows what are the followers this month, what it is relative to previous months, and what is the general trend looking like as we look at the weekly breakdown. And we can also change, I'm just gonna adjust that just a little bit. And we can also change this to a bar chart, for example, and that's going to give us a quick look at what our new followers metric did. And it looks like there were 2 weeks here where we had really good metrics. So we can take a look at what content pieces we did, if we ran any ads, and see what contributed to this, and we can try and replicate that to replicate a similar success. Hope that helps. Feel free to reach out if you need any help, and we'll be here with more videos soon. Bye now.